Crochet a caterpillar fidget with me. We're starting out with the head, adding the eyes. Eyes are in, adding some stuffing. The head is done. Now we're gonna push the end of it to the inside. Now the head is finished. Now I'm gonna make 8 separate body segments in all different colors. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, number 8. This one we need to sew shut. Done. Now I'm going to attach all these pieces using one long strand of acrylic yarn. Here's what it looks like with all the segments on. Now we're going to tie a knot and add the head. And just like that, our little caterpillar is complete. Thanks for watching.